Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to take you through my routine of glowing up, which just basically means I'm going to take you guys through a routine. This is what I would do before a photo shoot, before an event, just stuff like that, just to get myself ready and feeling my best. And yeah, also this is a perfect routine to do just for like yourself, like a self-care night, Sunday night before the week starts, whenever you're feeling a little yucky, a little off, a little like you need a little boost. So this is what I do, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get started. These flamingo ones are actually so good, you guys. I have the orange one, I think, up there, and then you can just get these cartridges. They're not that expensive, they're only $9. So I need these. I'm currently 8th in line at Starbucks, which, you guys, I live in a really small town, so like 8 people. That's a lot of people to be getting coffee right now because it's 4 o'clock. But yeah, next in my self-care, what are we even calling this? My glow up routine is to get a coffee or something at Starbucks. Hang on, y'all. Because it's only 4 and I never get real coffee. It makes me jittery and I don't like that feeling because I already like do what I can to beat my anxiety, so I don't need any of that. But my go-tos are peppermint hot chocolate, which yes, you can make that at home if you want to, or you can get, or I get a decaf caramel white mocha. And if you're trying to be healthy, I would say those aren't healthy, but it is what it is, and it's like a little treat for me. I haven't actually had Starbucks in like a while, so I'm just doing this right now. It's really cold. I have to go home and I'm gonna do some work, so I figured this would kind of keep me motivated. Also, I'm just gonna show you guys really quick what I got at Target because I'm gonna be in line for a while. And I actually got like too much stuff. Like, I knew this was gonna happen. The lighting is ruining everything. Okay, actually, let's just see if I go up. If I skirt up a little bit, I think when my hand's up here, it makes it lighter. Okay, I'm just gonna have to keep my hand up here. I don't know. Okay, so the first thing that I got was the cutest sports bra I have ever seen at Target. It's like a high neck and like kind of looks like a crop top, which I love these. And let me see, this was $13. That's not bad at all, you guys. Well, like for a sports bra. And I have a larger chest, so I never know. It's so hard, you guys, because my waist isn't like a large, it's like a small or maybe a medium, but then like my chest itself is like a freaking extra large to the second. So I kind of deal with like, it's really hard for me to find sports bras, but I really do appreciate these ones because they're high neck, so you don't have to worry about like your, I don't want to say boobs on my channel, but boobs. You don't have to worry about your boobs falling out because it's going to be up to your neck. So I was like way too cold and lazy to try it on, so I got a small and a medium. I'll let you guys know how they fit and like how I like them, but this color, it's not even like showing up true on camera. It's like really neon bright pink and I love it so much. It's speaking to me. Next, I got this really cute little tank top. This color I've been obsessed with too. It's like a watermelon together, but this like lime green has been literally my biggest obsession. Any green has been like, it's not like coming across right on camera, but this is just like a cropped tank top, and I got a medium in this because I'm just gonna wear it like around the house. I don't really care if it's a little bit loose. And this is only $7, you guys. I love these, and it's by Colsey, and that's what the sports bras buy too, but I just feel like their prices are really good. It's good quality and just really cute pieces. Like these spring colors are making me so excited right now. Next I got something I wanted to try out from Wet n Wild. It's just their new Hello Halo blush lighter, And you guys, the color is in After Sex Glow. Why Wet n Wild? Turn it down. And the other one was like some, oh no, it's my turn, you guys. Okay. No one say anything.
Thanks for stopping at Starbucks. I'll be right with you.
Okay, thank you. I still don't know what I want.
Hey, can I just get a tall peppermint hot chocolate, please?
Alright, it'll be $3.71 at the window for you.
Okay, thank you. Trying to drive in four-wheel drive when there's no snow is so difficult. Okay, whatever. It's gonna have to be fine. Because there's snow on like the corners and in some roads, so I don't want to just like not have it on. But like right now there's no snow where I'm at, like on this road. So I'm like not able to turn. If you guys live in a cold climate, you understand the struggle is real. Okay, do I have time to show you guys more? I think I do. So I got that blush. It's like a blush and highlighter side-by-side thing, and I thought it was cute, and I'm really into blush like you guys know, so I thought I would try that, and it wasn't very expensive, I don't think. Okay, then I got these protein, Lord help me. I got these protein shakes, Premier Protein, energy for every day. So it's like lean protein. My dad drinks these. 30 grams of protein, that's a lot, I think. That's a lot. And a new flavor, cookies and cream. It sounded good. I don't know, I need to try it and just see what I think. I'll let you guys know what I think about that too, because I'm really picky and I'm really bad at eating healthy, you guys. I'm just gonna put it out there. I'm not a healthy eater, but I really wanna switch that and transition that. A protein shake does not sound good right now, but if it's cookies and cream, I might be able to get by with it. I have another bag down there, but it's my turn almost, so I'm just gonna wait. Okay, I'm just gonna finish my little Target haul in the car just because I'm like already in here. I got Special K, but I'm not gonna show that because it's a huge box. Then I got my favorite razors because I obviously need to shave. Well, not obviously, but I need to shave. So I got these flamingo ones, and I love these, you guys. I feel like they're cheaper than what I was using before, and I hate spending money on razors and razor blades and like things like that. It's just not fun for me, but like these ones are a little bit more fun because they're cute, and the razors have like different colored ones. I have the orange one, but yeah, so I got these because I needed these. And then I'm gonna have to take the cereal out anyway, so then I got just a pink notebook. I just needed another notebook, and I'm gonna use this for like specific things. Then for my event tomorrow, I'm actually speaking at a Valentine's women's event, like an empowerment night, and so I just got a couple things that I might wear with my outfit that I haven't picked out yet, which is part of the process. But I got this really cute headband. It has like little pearls on it, and these headbands have been making such a comeback, you guys. I wish I would have kept all of mine from when I was little, but I didn't. Then I got a couple pairs of really cute earrings. I'm probably just gonna take the ones back that I don't wear, but these ones are just so cute. I thought they would be cute. The dress code for tomorrow night is black or white, but I feel like little pops of pink or red would be cute. Otherwise, these ones are just neutral, and I think these are so cute. And these ones are both by Sugar Fix, and they're not like terribly expensive. These were $13 and these ones were $15, so it's like doable, and they're nice quality. They don't hurt my ears or anything. So that is all I got at Target. I got my hot chocolate, and it's so good. So now I have to do a little bit of prepping in terms of like work stuff, which means I have to go just work on my speech, and I don't like writing down my speeches. I just want to do like some bullet points and like get some inspiration and kind of write out what my plan is for that. So I'm probably gonna go do that for a little bit, and then we'll get into more of like the spa, like beauty type stuff. But this is kind of what I do, and even if it's like a photo shoot, I'll go and go over like all the details, like with the photographer, read through our messages, look at the mood board that they've sent me, and just kind of like get everything ready in terms of like the work side of things. So that is what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna drink my coffee or my hot chocolate while I do that, and then we will move on to the next step.
like are in their like 20s, they understand.
Feeling like I literally haven't done anything, you guys. I have, but like it feels like I haven't gotten anything done. But I did shower. Okay, next I'm just going to exfoliate my face using this Boscia. I've talked about this on my channel before. It's my favorite. It's a peel gel. So what you do with this is you literally just pump some on your hand, and it's gonna be like on your dry face. So I'm gonna do like 2 pumps, and it looks like this. Ew, that looks gross. And I'm just going to, like, you don't want to massage it in your hands, you just want to put it on your face and like kind of distribute it first and then start rubbing it in. You can literally feel the dead skin like rolling up on your fingers. Your face might be a little bit red after, but that's normal. Okay, I'm in my other bathroom now. So what we're gonna do tonight is just this. Okay, we're using this Deep Clean Neutrogena clarifying, purifying, whatever mask. It's cute and it's blue, so I'm gonna put this on, and then I need to self-tan still, and I already shaved. And normally, you guys, I wax my legs at home, but I didn't have time today. I just ran out of time because writing my speech took a lot longer than I thought, and I wasn't even writing it down, but I just wanted to like, look at how like, look at my hand, you guys. It looks like one of those dinosaur little claws. Sorry about that. I don't know how to make it look cuter, but no, I can't even hold on to it. You guys, now everyone's gonna be looking at it. It's like a bird claw, I'm sorry. Anyway, I didn't have time to wax my legs, so I shaved, which is fine. But if you guys are gonna self-tan, I just suggest shaving and stuff a couple hours before so that your pores have time to close. Otherwise it can kind of, you know, when you shave, you guys, like those little tiny like pores, they look like little holes like where your hair comes out of, they'll still be open. So sometimes when you self-tan too fast after that, it can like sink into those and you can see like little spots, but it's not that big of a deal. Tomorrow I'm not even wearing anything that's really gonna like show any of my skin, but I just like feel better, and if I'm gonna be like speaking in front of an audience, I just want to feel my best. Who wants a tutorial on this bun? I'm breaking out like a mad woman because it is my dot. My dot is here. My time of the month is here, and I am always breaking out like hormonal breakouts around my chin. Wish I could just go around like this, because then look how clear my skin is. I mean, it's not great, but it's better. So, okay, let's put this mask on, shall we? How, like, I'm being so serious though, you guys. How do people learn TikTok dances? Oh. Believe us, she gonna die. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this thing keeps like bursting on my finger. This would be better to use a brush probably, but I can't be bothered to go find one right now, so I'm just using my finger. That's why it looks like a really pretty application, you know. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, next we're gonna stop being obnoxious. Look how cute my, what's that thing called? Shower curtain is. You guys, I kind of want to do an apartment tour because look, it's starting to get cuter. We love that. Okay, let's go on to the next. I think next what I'm gonna do is braid my hair, because my hair is like so fine, you guys. Like, it tangles so easily, it's ridiculous. I have a confession. I had a photo shoot Saturday and I couldn't comb through my hair for 4 days. I literally couldn't do it. So I thought there was a grasshopper on my ceiling, but it's just part of the ceiling, I guess. Like I said, ow, I'm gonna braid my hair, and my mask is dry, so I don't have to worry about that. I washed my hair last night, so like it's washed, and my hair is naturally hi, my hair is naturally pretty wavy. So what I like to do is just braid it before I go to bed, because like I said, it's just gonna make tomorrow easier for me. And I'm not gonna brush mine because I'm gonna end up curling my hair tomorrow anyway. So I'll finger comb it quick, but not like brushing it at all, because it's just gonna give me a little bit more texture if I don't do that. I do it down the middle because even if you don't wear your hair down the middle, which I don't know if I will tomorrow or not, I'm just gonna clip up this section so I don't get it in the other one. Okay. So even if I don't wear it in the middle tomorrow, it's gonna give me more volume to do this, because when I push it over to one side, it's just gonna have more volume. So that's why I do that. And I'm not like careful with my braid at all, because I'm literally just sleeping on it and then taking it out when I wake up. So it doesn't really matter how it looks. My cosmetology instructors would be so disappointed in my braid right now. Also, I just want to let everyone know this mask does not taste good. I didn't try to taste it, but like I kind of got it on my lips. It's still on there. And somehow it got in my mouth, and it's just like not great. I'd give it like a 5 out of 10 taste wise. It's kind of minty. That's gross. Don't eat it. Have you guys seen like the brow lamination stuff? I want to do that so badly. It's like basically like perming your eyebrows like so that they stay up. Like if you guys have seen the trend of soap brows, which if you like makeup, I'm sure you have. It's basically like, you know, when you brush your brows up like this, they just look like full and like kind of bushy in the best way possible. Wow. Also, let's refrain from getting the mask in your hair after just washing it. And I saw one of my Instagram girls doing it on herself, and it didn't look like that hard, but then all of a sudden it was like, be careful, you might burn your skin. And I was like, okay, yeah, I don't think I should do that. I'm prone to messing that stuff up. Funny story. When I was younger, the first time I ever colored my hair was in 7th grade, and it was with a box dye from Walmart, RIP. And my friend, who had brown hair, mind you, decided she was gonna color her hair. So I was like, I'm just gonna get the exact same color as my hair and just do it so I can like do it with you guys, because it sounds so fun. And I had like dirty blonde hair, like basically how I am right now. And we started coloring each other's hair. Mine like looked the exact same in the box or whatever. And my mom even was like, yeah, it's probably not gonna do anything to your hair, like it's fine. So we're doing each other's hair, and I go to the bathtub to wash mine out. My hair was red. It was literally ginger. Gingers are beautiful, you guys, but I'm not made to be a redhead. I don't know. Also, if you're a redhead and someone calls you ginger, is that offensive? I just think like the gingery color, like the pretty like it wasn't even strawberry blonde. My head was orange, and apparently someone thought it would be funny to switch the tubes in Walmart, and let's put this orange one in this blonde hair box and see who gets red hair. It was me. Braiding my hair reminded me of the glory days of braiding my freaking orange hair. Okay. That's all. Now our braids are in. They don't look great, but they are gonna be just fine.